Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English lesson series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating topic of transportation. Whether you're traveling to work, going on vacation, or simply exploring a new city, understanding transportation vocabulary is essential. So, let's dive in. There are various modes of transportation that we use in our daily lives. Let's start by learning some key vocabulary related to different modes of transportation. First, we have car. Car, a vehicle with four wheels that is commonly used for personal transportation. Next, we have pickup. A pickup is a light-duty truck with a cabin and a roofless box. Van. Van is a vehicle used for transporting goods or people. Minibus. Minibus is a small passenger car that can accommodate from 7 to 12 passengers. Next, we have the bus. Bus, a large vehicle that carries passengers and travels on a specific route. School bus. A school bus is a bus used to transport students to and from school or school-related activities. Truck. A truck is a large and heavy road vehicle used to transport goods and materials. Ambulance. An ambulance is a medically equipped vehicle to transport patients to treatment facilities. Fire engine. A fire engine is a vehicle that transports water and firefighters for firefighting operations. Carriage. Carriage is a four-wheeled cart for people drawn by horses. Metro train. A metro is a public transportation system permanently guided by a rail line with trains consisting of at least two cars, intended for the transportation of passengers. We have train. Train, a long vehicle that runs on tracks and transports people or goods. Aerial tramway. An aerial tramway is a type of aerial lift that uses one or two fixed ropes for support. It is a system for pulling passengers. Rocket. A cylinder-shaped object moves at great height with great speed by forcing burning gases. Space shuttle. A vehicle designed to travel to space and return to Earth. Another mode of transportation is the airplane. Airplane, a large vehicle that flies in the air and transports passengers over long distances. Helicopter. A type of aircraft without wings, it has two sets of large blades on top. Balloon. A very large balloon that is filled with gas. It can carry people in a hanging basket below it. Dump truck. A truck for transporting heavy loads with a back part that can be lifted to drop its contents. Concrete mixer truck. A truck for mix concrete and transport it to the construction site. Excavator. Excavator is heavy construction equipment used for excavation or demolition. Tractor. A tractor is an vehicle designed to used in agriculture operations. Forklift. Forklift is an industrial truck used to lift and transport materials. Crane. Crane is a large and long machine used to move heavy objects to high places by hanging them from a projecting arm or beam. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is a small, one-wheel, hand-propelled vehicle driven by one person that is used to move loads. Hand truck. Hand truck is an L-shaped hand truck with handles at one end, wheels at the base, and with a ledge to put things on. It is used to transport heavy things. Concrete mixer. Cement mixer is a portable device that mixes cement. Bike. A bike is also a motorbike or motorcycle. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled motor vehicle. Scooter. Scooter is a motorcycle with a lower or stepped frame, a seat and a platform for the rider's feet. Bicycle. Bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle propelled by pedals and handlebars attached to the front wheel. Boat. Boat is a small vehicle for traveling on water. Canoe. A canoe is a small lightweight vehicle for traveling on water, using a single-bladed paddle. Ship. Ship is a large boat for transporting people or goods by seas and oceans. Warship. Warship is a ship designed to participate in war at sea. Lastly, we have the submarine. Submarine is a warship designed to navigate underwater, equipped with periscopes and armed with torpedoes or missiles. Please repeat with me. Car. Pickup. Van. Minibus. Bus. School bus. Truck. Ambulance. Fire engine. Carriage. Metro train. Train. Aerial tramway. Rocket. Space shuttle. Airplane. Helicopter. Balloon. Dump truck. Concrete mixer truck. Excavator. Tractor. Forklift. Crane. Wheelbarrow. Hand truck. Concrete mixer. Bike. Motorcycle. Scooter. Bicycle. Boat. Canoe. Ship. Warship. Submarine. Great job! Now that we've covered some essential vocabulary related to transportation, it's time for a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Write the name of the means of transportation below the image. Take a moment to think and write down your answer. Fantastic job! Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these vocabulary words into your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.